Hello guys, this is the team Cambrians from AISI internship. The problem statement which is given is as to design and develop innovative technologies in the manufacturing of e-bike for urban women under 1 lakh rupees. We are a team of 6 engineers from mechanical department and this is our team consort and these are the roles and we did our work together and in an efficient way. So basically, we didn't have any knowledge about electrical vehicles. So the product benchmarking data gave us a vast idea about the electrical vehicles and their complete details. The first product which we have chosen is Pure EV. The second one is BGOS and the third one is TVS. So in the pure EV, we have chosen two variants, that is ePluto and ePluto 7G. The first parameter which we have considered is the performance, then would be the battery, brakes, wheels and tires, finally the cost. So the same parameters were considered for the BGOS also. Even the BGOS has two variants, that is B8 and A2. And then this is for the TVS iQube Electric. So for the competitor benchmarking data, we have chosen the two variants, that is the BGOS A2 and Pure EV ePluto 7G, because they're likely to resemble based on our calculations. And we have chosen the same parameters as mentioned before. So, based on the studies on research papers, articles, videos, pictures, we have taken these technological considerations. The first main component would be the motor. So, we have chosen a 48-volt 1000-watt BLDC motor. So, this motor is in lightweight and it comes in the best price range and the performance is also optimal. So next would be the battery. As we know, the most common battery is the lithium ion, and we have chosen the same one with 48 volt and 25 amp current. And this offers a 1.5 hours runtime at its peak performance. The next main part would be the controller. So we have chosen a 48 volt, 2000 watt, 15 MOSFET, 33 amp BLDC controller. The main features of this are e-brake, power lock function, 3 speed modes, reverse mode, and Hall sensor. The next would be the battery charger. The battery charger we have chosen is 48 volt, 5 amp. This charges our vehicle within 5 hours. And the gear ratio which we have chosen is 11 to 43 so that it can provide a good top speed and decent amount of range. The front suspension which I've chosen is upside down telescopic fork, which offers more stability and it can be adjusted based on the rider. The rear one would be the monoshock. Monoshock is because it distributes the weight equally on the vehicle and it improves the handling at the bad road conditions. Then based on the concept validation and product benchmarking data, the power of our e-bike is 1000 watt. The range is 70 to 100 kilometers. The voltage is 48 volt. Battery is 48 volt with max power of 1.2 kilowatt hour. The motor drive is hub. The charger we have chosen here is the 48 volt 5 amp lithium ion battery, which charges within 5 hours. This is the only problem which the electrical vehicles have faced from the dawn. So it is better that we improve the charging time. Then based on our problem statement, we have taken into consideration that is the light weight and easy handling and the nominal range. According to the above statement and expectations viewed in the opinion of customer, we have taken into consideration and designed various parts, experimented theoretically, and finalized the price of the component. Then next would be the complete specification of our vehicle. The motor we have chosen is the 48 volt 1000 watt with max of 3000 rpm. The torque produced at gradability is 15.654 Newton meter. The gear ratio is 1 is to 3.91. The max gradability available is 10 degree. Max speed is 45 kmph. The range would be 70 to 100 kilometers. And the battery is 48 volt 25 amp lithium ion. The further factors which we have considered is the affordability based on the consumer and the customer also. Then would be the performance for the better performance and long lasting with the single charge. Quality is to provide high quality standard components under the nominal range. Then the utmost factor would be the safety so that a rider can run it smoothly and in a safer way. Then the next would be the SWOT analysis. The main strength is like we have very good contact in the local public and developed areas. And we are one team, we are very confident and we have efficient knowledge about these technologies based on our researches. And we would like to give an successful product for the future. The weaknesses would be the certain manufacturing process which are new to us, which would overcome over a period of time with the existence in the field. The opportunities are like e-bike are good route in the future, and this is the present technology. And this has a very good potential for the replacement of motor vehicle use, and we can reduce the pollution as well. The main threats we faced was the initial investment and initial deals in the market based on the our calculations, because there are many variants available in the present technology and the market. So this is the estimated cost of our e-vehicle. That would be from motor, battery, charger, etc. All those things, and the final price would be 79,943 rupees. And estimated manufacturing cost would be 11,000, and the total price with the profit would be 96,750 rupees. These are the designs we have created based on our problem statement. So we have done many trial and error methods, and based on that we have chosen one design and improvised the design, and this is our final design. Then the next would be the marketing concept, how we can get the revenue. The first one would be reasonable vehicle for the personal use. Then would be the rental e-bikes for the common public and college student based on daily basis, weekly basis, or monthly basis. And the main target audience we would like to attract is the young generations, because e electricity and electric bikes are the present technology which is running around them, and we would like to attract them a lot. And the promotional strategies which we would like to use is the best source is the social media. So we can promote our product in the platforms such as Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, etc. And we would like to participate in our e-auto expos so that we can have interactions with the technical team, then other products, and we can have a product benchmarking data also. And we can also create awareness about the e-bikes and their contribution to the nature, so that we can reduce pollution and we can have fresh air. And we would like to give out do it yourself kit to the common people, so they can have their hands on experience on the theoretical knowledge and even as well as the practical knowledge. And we would like to launch our vehicle around summer in the year of 2021. And we would like to launch our own web portal, so that people can access the specifications, information and doubts, etc. And thank you guys for your precious time.